Multiple inheritance. There is nothing wrong with multiple inheritance. It's a fine relationship, right? You can use it. It's beneficial in certain circumstances. You have to know what you're doing, but there's nothing wrong with using it. I don't know why the Java people had to say you can't have multiple inheritance because it's dangerous. It's not dangerous. It's just multiple inheritance. It's easy to use. There are places where it's useful. I don't know why the Java people had to invent two completely different relationships, implements and extends, and create a special case of the interface. An interface is just an abstract class with a bunch of abstract methods in it. That's all it is. Why'd you have to make a special case? Oh, well, we made the special case so that programmers could never use multiple inheritance. There's nothing wrong with multiple inheritance. I don't like this idea of moralizing certain language features. Oh no, multiple inheritance is immoral. We are not going to allow people to use it. We will complicate the language and screw up the language horribly so that programmers can't use multiple inheritance. There's nothing wrong with multiple inheritance. There's nothing wrong with inheritance. Inheritance is a fine relationship. I know everybody goes, oh God, not inheritance. Prefer composition to inheritance. What the hell does that mean? Prefer composition to inheritance. You use inheritance where inheritance is useful. You use composition where composition is useful. There's no preference here. You just use the relationships where they are beneficial. I hate this idea of putting a moral film over a language and its features, right? I don't think that's helpful. And I especially don't like it when you do it to junior programmers. No, don't tell the junior programmers that they might be able to multiply inherit. You'll screw them up for the rest of their lives. No, you won't. Junior programmers are fine. People tell me this all the time. They just say, oh, well, you shouldn't tell programmers that they should be careful with their comments because the junior programmers will never write comments after that. You shouldn't tell programmers that functions ought to be small because junior programmers will make their functions too small. Junior programmers are going to screw up, people. They just are. But that's okay. That's part of becoming a non-junior programmer, and it's okay. The worst thing you can do to a junior programmer is lie to them by telling them that certain kinds of language features are immoral and should never be used.